Okay, today we're at Shelving Concepts. We're looking at a decoiler right there, and that's taking a piece of steel, running it through a stiffener down into a pit, and then it goes into a feeder. The feeder is a high-tech piece of equipment that tells it exactly how much to feed into the press. Right there you see the press stamping it every 1.6 seconds it hits and does a 12-inch piece. 12-inch piece comes out, well, it's on the coil, and you can see the teardrops in it. There's a little conveyor back there getting the slugs out. Then it goes into the bottom, goes into a pit, another pit. And now comes the amazing machine. That thing's called a rafter. It's a roll former. It has 18 different stations on it. It'll take a flat piece of steel, and they're designed to bend it, twist it, and fold it any way you want. Ours does a column, and as you can see as it goes through here, you can see how it bends the back of the column first. It's a kind of a bend in each one. It's 7/8 of an inch. It ends up at the back of the column when you're looking at it. As you can see, it's going down. You could see you could identify the bend in the front of it too. And each one of that bend has to be within a thousandth of an inch in order for the beams to hook on the way they're supposed to. Follows it down. It goes through different sensors that sense it tell this cutoff machine how to cut it and where to cut it. And now it's about to be cut off. This is kind of a neat process. It hits it and cuts it. Hits it and cuts it. You could program it any size you want. At this time we're doing 144s, 12 footers. And this is something to see. That's called cutting it on the fly. It cuts it as it's moving. Then we stack them up in a nice neat pile, take them to the weld shop to make frames.